guys, I'm here to do a quick unboxing video of some OEM parts that I got from ExtremePSI.com, I believe it is. I don't know, I'll put the description, the link to their website in the description box. The Galant needed a new timing cover, valve cover gasket, and the OEM bolts for the timing cover. Mine was all messed up. We're trying to find an oil leak. We're pretty sure it's from the valve cover, so it was much easier to go through this website than it was to find it on eBay or find it, like try finding an OEM part. So I highly recommend this website if you have a 6-bolt, 7-bolt, if you have a DSM in general. Use this site to order your OEM parts. So, let's see. It's about costs about 240 something. This box, 240 something, 220 something, right around there. They do package quite well. Pretty sweet. They sent me some stickers. Extreme PSI. So I'm cool with that. Some more stickers to add to my toolbox. Maybe throw some on my car. We'll see. So from when I ordered it, the timing belt cover, let me correct that, timing belt cover was about 120 bucks. OEM timing belt cover bolts were 20 bucks. And the valve cover gasket was 80. So just so you guys are aware of what that pricing was. Yeah, it was the OEM timing belt cover, not timing cover. So this is probably the belt cover. There it is. The car desperately needed one of these. But it's got fresh gaskets. Pretty excited to get this guy on. There it is. Okay, that's that. Remember, that's the OEM belt cover. Then in here I have the spark plug gaskets. All of them are in there. The timing cover, or the belt cover bolts. And then the valve cover gasket. And the little half moons also are part of the kit. There they are. So, yeah guys, I highly recommend using these guys. They're packaged nicely. They are OEM parts. It was super easy. My friend sent me the link. And I went ahead and ordered it when I had the funds ready. Don't forget, I do sell grounding kits for several chassis, so check out my store link down below. I'll put Extreme PSI's link down below as well. And today is Halloween. This will be uploaded a little later. Happy Halloween, everybody. I currently have the Galant at my friend's house getting the hydraulic e-brake installed. This weekend on November 3rd, we have a little cash days, so you guys will be seeing that very soon, pretty much. So, but don't forget guys, check them out, Extreme PSI, great place to buy your OEM parts for your 4G63, and check their website out. Thanks guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share the video, And I have lots of videos here to come. Thank you guys.